Finally, task Lina Castillo. What's your full name? My full name is Lina Maria Castillo Delgado. Where are you from? I'm from Bogota City. How old are you? I am 32 years old. What is your email address? My email address is linisdelamus@hotmail.com. What do you do? I am a housewife and teacher in the church. Where do you live? I live in Bogota City. Describe the place where you live. I live in a beautiful but dangerous city. In Bogota, you find everything: clothing, stores, hospitals, shops, theaters. It is a big place, but you have to be careful. There are many thieves. Bogota is cold and the people is reserved. Its buildings are large and beautiful. Personality. What are your hobbies? I like to walk, to go shopping, read the Holy Bible, and listen to music. What is your favorite food? I love the Mexican food. What's your favorite movie? Why? My favorite movie is No se aceptan devoluciones because it is very touching. What is your favorite book? Why? My favorite book is the Bible because in this I found the way to God and this is a manual of life. Mention some of your qualities, positive and negative qualities. I am happy, funny, I am responsible and sociable. However, I am somewhat messy and I like to eat a lot, and this is a problem for me. Briefly describe your daily routine. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I pray to God and then I prepare the breakfast. I am in the virtual class with my children, and meanwhile I prepare the lunch. In the afternoon, I clean the house and sometimes I go to the shopping center or I go to walk in some park with my children. At 6:30 in the afternoon, I give the dinner to my husband and my children, and I send their assignments and I do mine because I study at the university. What do you usually do on weekends? I usually on weekends go to the church on Sundays and I teach there about the Bible. I go eating at the different restaurants with my children and my husband. We go walking and to buying some things as clothes, marketing, among others. A significant person in my life is my husband. His name is Jonathan. He is 31 years old. He is businessman. He is dark and strong. His eyes are brown and he has bushy eyebrows. He has a hard character, however, he is a tender husband and a tender father. He is really generous with us. My husband loves to God, and this is what I like the most about him. Share some experience. Share an experience that made you feel happy. The last month we went with my husband and my children to San Andres Islas. It was the first time we went by plane, and this was a beautiful experience. And San Andres is a precious island. There we went to go around the island, and it is fabulous. We ate many and delicious things. It was a great time that I wanted to repeat. Describe an event that made you feel sad, nervous, or worried. When my child Mateo had 5 months, he got ill with bronchitis and it was a hard time. I was worried and very sad because he was very sick, and besides that, I had to leave my doctor with my mother, and she was 5 months too. This was a terrible experience, but thanks God he recovered satisfactorily. Thank you.